In our last video, we were exploring Yosemite National Park, and I was challenged to eat a bug.
Gotta eat this.
Since we got our mountain fix in, it was time to head back to the coast and continue south in order to make headway on our travel goal, Canada to Cabo, Mexico.
Just exiting Yosemite now. Now it's time to go back to the coast to some warmer weather. Pulled off on the side of the road within 10 minutes of our road trip because we can't start a road trip without snacks.
I was getting hungry.
Our final destination for this road trip is Monterey. It's about 4 hours from Yosemite, so we're gonna stop tonight at a Harvest Host winery. We're gonna have some snacks, maybe drink some wine, and then we'll finish out the next 2 hours the next day. The mountains have truly been so beautiful though, and perfect for sleeping in the van. It gets pretty cold, but it feels nice. But honestly, I'm excited for the beach, the coast, maybe a bathing suit, maybe some warm weather. All of a sudden we just hit this fog and you can barely see anything straight ahead. I'm hoping it clears up for this winery. Smells good?
Yeah, it's unbelievable.
Smells so good, I know. Doing a little wine tasting.
Got a whole box of goodies, fresh from the farm here. Lisa, I know she's excited to use some of the ingredients. And you know, this is like why you go to like Harvest Host, because like you just get things like this, and you have to stay there. And we did a wine tasting.
And a wine tasting. This is like the perfect Harvest Host for us. They got wine, they got fresh veggies, they've got sunflowers. It's so cute. And you literally just buy a box of fresh vegetables, which we'd buy from the grocery store anyways, which wouldn't be as fresh. And then we get to stay here for free. It's just kind of like unbelievable. I love this program. Since we just got all these veggies, I feel like it's most appropriate if we cook a nice dinner with these guys. So today we're gonna be having angel hair pasta with basil and all these veggies.
Wow, those garden fresh vegetables, you can taste the difference. We haven't treated ourselves to something like this in a while. Lisa made an amazing meal. Man, that's what a traveler needs right here. The aftermath of a good meal. Not too bad, not too shabby, but thank the chef.
Grazie, grazie. Had a great night's sleep, got our coffee, Faris got the drone.
Gonna put this boy up, check out the vineyard a little bit, check out the orchards, everything they got going on here at this facility, Vista Ranch. Let's get after it. Blackberry bushes right behind me. Gosh, farm fresh.
Get a little pumpkin?
Yeah, a little festive pumpkin.
Pick out a cute one. Not too big. That's the winner?
Is this cute enough?
That's super cute.
Challenge time. These challenges have been getting pretty crazy. Last one, Lisa had to eat a bug. So let's see what this one's all about.
Oh, I'm nervous.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes! I knew it, you little sneaker. So Faris has been doing scissors every time. I caught on, and then I thought he was gonna change it, and then he never changed it. So I knew he was gonna do scissors again.
It's a long one. Faris and Lisa. Let's go.
What does it say? What does it say?
Faris and Lisa challenge each other to who can hold the longest plank. The loser has to cook dinner.
You're going
So
down.
if you know what a plank is, it's when you hold yourself, like we'll show you in the things, but
You're going down, man.
I'm gonna hold a plank longer than her. We got another one of these boxes because yesterday we got one and it was amazing. We thought it would be a good gift because the reason why we're going to Monterey is because my friend Tyler and his wife Lindsey live there, and we thought this would be a really cool gift to give them, along with the wine that we got in Napa Valley from our friend Aaron, which is 6 Figures and Source and Sink. So between this and a little bit of wine, I think it'll be a pretty good little gift for helping us along the way on our journey as we stay with them, enjoy ourselves, and come on, look at this.
And it smells even better, all the fresh herbs.
So we're gonna pop open a couple wine bottles maybe, enjoy ourselves. Because if you're gonna get some wine, get Source and Sink or 6 Figures. It's the way to go.
All right, now to continue the rest of the road trip.
Got our twin Rebel right in front of us.
He seems to know what he's doing, so we're just following him for the rest of the way.
You think he makes good choices?
I think he makes good choices.
Tina 2, baby, Tina 2!
Proceed to the route.
What's the price today, Faris?
$285.
Liar.
$485.
$485.
It is what it is. Gotta go through California.
At least it's less than 5.
I know. It's less. I did not turn in your little like driveway area. So we made it to Monterey. We made it to the Gobles, Lindsey and Tyler. Tyler was a friend of mine from high school. We played football together, and now he's an active Marine. But more than that, he's gonna be our referee for our challenge. As you guys know, we're doing the plank challenge. But Lindsey and Tyler also own their own real estate company that is pretty incredible. A lot of cool things. We're invested with them, but they also put a lot of their proceeds to Unbound Now. If you guys are interested in investing, the link is in the description below. Make sure to check them out because it goes to a great cause in fighting human trafficking and with great people. That's right. So next time you see Tyler, he will be doing the refereeing of our challenge. Let's see, Lisa.
Yeah. Just a couple of warm-up sets.
You ready, Lise?
Ready. Ready as I'll ever be.
Alright, keep that butt down. Lisa's not gonna win.
3, 2, 1, plank.
Gotta get my zen.
All right, Faris is already shaking. It's only been maybe 8 seconds.
I am shaking.
Yeah, he is shaking because the bill of his head is a little. He has some long legs, Faris. I don't think this is gonna be easy for you. 30 seconds in, Faris looks like a 3rd grade girl. Faris has been sitting upright in the van for the past 72 hours, meditating.
Van life does not help out the abs.
No.
All right, we made it 10. As expected, Faris is shaking uncontrollably. Lisa is killing it.
Dang it.
Yeah.
Give up.
This could all be over. You gotta get to at least 3 minutes, Faris. For your family. For the Abraham name.
Oh my god.
Halfway. 1:30. You literally can't go down. You have to at least make it 3, or else.
See what time is it?
3 minutes.
You gotta stay up. You gotta stay up. It's not good. It's not looking good for him. Come on, De Niro.
Oh my god, guys.
That
Oh my god.
strong as a rock, man.
She's not feeling it at all.
I'm losing.
Yeah, there you go. I'll allow it. You need a little bit more purchase on the turf.
Yes!
He's down!
Winner chicken
2 minutes and 40 seconds.
What did I get myself into? The Abraham name. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, a deal is a deal, a bet is a bet. Lisa won, fair and square. So now I'm gonna cook up some tacos slash fajitas. A little bit of taco, a little bit of fajita. Lisa is giving me full range of the kitchen, so I told her, get her butt out of there so I can get in there. I said, I'm putting whatever I want on this thing. Let's see how it turns out. Lisa, get out of the kitchen. See, now I know how it feels when she's always trying to kick me out. I'm just trying to use our kitchen space to cook you a meal, and you're just in the way.
You know what? I will gladly get out of the kitchen and have you cook me a meal every single day. Bye.
Get your butt out.
Goodbye.
Give me the kitchen. I need the space to cook. I realize I just eat more than when I cook. On to the next phase. Update, she's still in my kitchen, trying to kick her out. How am I supposed to cook if she's in my way? Man, her life must be tough every day dealing with me in the kitchen. Finally, she's out of the kitchen. Now the real work begins. This might be the best meal you'll ever see on our YouTube channel. I'm so confident about this, I'm throwing on the chef hat. First one done. This is what I call the house special. Lisa has no choice, she has to eat it. All right, Lisa.
What do we have? Wow. I need like 10. Wow, you even crisped up the tortillas?
Let's see how it is.
I'm actually super impressed. Wow. You did a really good job. You guys, Faris absolutely killed it with the tacos. I was so happy with that meal. Leave a comment if you think Faris should be doing more of the cooking in our videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to stay tuned for the next one, and we'll see you soon.
In our next video, we continue south down the coast, making our way towards Mexico.
From Yosemite Mountains to the coastline, we made it, and this view is just absolutely epic. No better place to be.